Hello dear friend, today I draw a pumpkin using letter C.
At first we draw letter C, then draw letter V, draw another V. After draw its branch, another letter C. Draw zigzag line and connect them. Now draw inverse C and connect the line, and draw another line and connect the line. Draw a line, draw a line. Now dear friends, now I draw its eye. It's triangle shape. Draw its nose, triangle shape. Now I draw a circle. Draw another circle. I feel its color. Now draw its mouth. Draw two lines. And connect the line. Now fill up the color. Dear friends, now I am color it. Watching this video. First I draw dark green.
My dear old friends,
Now draw
family,
light green.
it's time to say goodbye. Let's pray to God and have a faith we will meet again.
Dear friends, now draw yellow. Now draw orange color.
My dear old friends, family, it's time to say goodbye. I don't wanna leave you.
Hello dear friends, if you love this video, please hype this video and like, comment, share this video. Bye bye, take care. Pumpkin Halloween.